Motor Mind. Hey folks, Motor Mind here. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I've got a few projects going on here, so I think we'll see what we can do. So what I'm doing today is I'm working on the Land Rover Freelander again, and we are doing the. They're a bit foggy before, so she has already kind of started. So I got this kit. I think it's Pop DIY headlamp restoration kit. So you start out, first step, obviously wash the headlamps. You just start with a 800 grit disc, then you go up to a 1200 grit disc, sanding disc, and then a 2000 grit sanding disc. It's a wet sander, so I got it on my little drill. I have it on the slow. You want to start and just kind of hold steady pressure over the whole thing. It's a bit of a two-handed job, but so I'm going to crack on here. So I'm just starting on this one here. I'm on the 1200 grit, and then I'll go to 2000, and then we'll put the polishing compound on. That should help restore it. And then there's a protection liquid that goes on afterwards. Put it on, and then I'll have to run Land Rover over across the road here, get sunlight on it. This was have sunlight on it for a couple hours. All right, let's get started. Hey folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, hit the bell for notifications when I put up new videos, and hopefully you comment down below if there's anything you want to comment on, and any suggestions and stuff like that, or just any tweaks. I'm always up for constructive criticism, but you know, I will also, if there's something I think is wrong, I will actually correct it as well. So thanks for watching. Okay, so I got the sanding all done. I've gone over these. I went over a couple more times with the really 2000 grit, the finer one. Just kept nice even pressure, and I wet them in between each one. So now I'll have to wipe all this off, and then we're going to put on the compound. Alright, so this is the results after I've done the polish, and I've wiped them off with a cloth the best I can. I think it has made a bit of a difference. I know I didn't put this up before to show what it looked like before, but if I can, I'll try and include a screenshot of a previous video I've done where I can get like at least the front end. And of the Land Rover, and see if we can see a difference. But I think I see a bit of a difference. Not perfect. It's a lot cheaper than trying to replace the whole headlamp assembly. And if it makes a difference, it makes it better. Any kind of marked improvement is an improvement nonetheless, right? So yeah, I see a bit more clear. Hopefully I'll apply the protective stuff, and it's going to sit in for a couple hours, and hopefully it doesn't rain, because it's not supposed to get wet while this stuff dries and cures. Alright, yeah, I'll put that up in a minute. Alright, that's it with me after I've applied the protective stuff. It seems to have really kind of helped shine it up, so I'm really hoping that it's kind of how it stays. You can see it seems, stuff, it's got to sit and cure. I've put it on as clear as I can, nice and even as I can, with a little sponge I gave you. So you just let it sit, and I'll let it sit for about 15 minutes or so, and so I'm going to get the vehicle into the sun, and we'll see. But if that's the result, then I'm going to say the winner chicken dinner in there. Alright, I'll leave it at that. And oh, I'm getting a CAT scan by the looks of it. Hello, you. Yeah, apprentice mechanic. Just having a little look. Alright, thanks for watching. And see you again. Bye. This just for reference. I also did it on the Kia Sorento that I just got. This is before pictures here, before it started. And then I got some after pictures here. So this should come up here. I think this is before still. And then this is the afters. So this is after the same exact treatment. I said this kit was usually for doing one set of headlights, but I was able to kind of get it on a stretch it, be able to do two sets. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click down below, click the like button. See you later.